What is going on, guys? It's the Ultimate Frozen Fan here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I found at Hot Topic today, and I'm going to be unboxing it, reviewing it, and giving you my first impressions and all that. So let's get it out of the package. Can I get a drum roll, please? Sora action figure. You may know about a week or so ago I found the Roxas action figure, and now I finally found the Sora action figure with a Keyblade. I have seen the Sora figure at Walgreens before, but he doesn't have the Keyblade, and it's like, how can you make a Sora figure without a Keyblade? So, yeah, so weird. But anyway, so let's get to it and crack this bad boy open and take a look at him. And there's Sora. And let's see, is there tape? Yeah, there's always tape on the Keyblade. Pretty much packaged the same as Roxas. And I'm guessing other figures, Kingdom Hearts figures in the wave. So, come on, guys, we want to play with these. Come on, toy companies, we want to play with these things. We don't want to spend like half an hour going at it with tape and twist ties and all that. Okay, there we go. So first, let's take a look at the Kingdom Key. Looking really, really nice there. Got the cool key design. Something I never noticed, one of my friends told me a while back, is that right here, the actual key part, if you look at the way it's set up, you'll notice that right here is the trademarked crown symbol that they use in Kingdom Hearts on the logo and all that stuff. So, pretty cool. I never noticed that before. And you got your Mickey head keychain. Everything looks good. Nice. Now let's take a look at Sora. He is in his Kingdom Hearts 2 attire. I wish they'd make a figure of Sora in his Kingdom Hearts 1 attire. It seems like everything that they've been marketing Sora with in terms of toys have all been his Kingdom Hearts 2 attire. And, you know, I miss Sora's Kingdom Hearts 1 attire. You know, it's just something really cool about it that I just like. So, who knows, maybe somewhere down the line they'll make a Kingdom Hearts 1 Sora action figure. But for now, this is what we got. So, paint on this looks pretty good. Not, no paint smudges or paint mistakes like on Roxas. Shoes. Hair looks nice. Boo! And looking good. Alright, so, yeah, the figure looks nice. Now let's go over articulation. So, for articulation, Sora can he look up? Look up and down a little bit. He can't look up very far, but he can do a 360, obviously, like most action figures can. Oh man, come on. And boom, 360. Has some head pivoting. Shoulders go all the way out and go all the way around. When you first buy these figures, sometimes the joints are kind of stiff. Actually, can the arms go all the way around? Maybe it can't go all the... Oh, no, I think it's hindered by his sweater. So, arms can't go all the way around, but then he does bend at the elbow. Single-jointed elbow. Wrist hinges up and down a little bit. Either this guy doesn't have much articulation, or his joints are just really stiff, so I might have to loosen those up a little, but waist swivels a little bit. He can kick forward that far, not too far back. I don't think he can really do any knee articulation because of his big puffy pants, but he does have some pretty good feet articulation. No ankle pivot, it doesn't look like. No toe articulation, so not too much on the articulation, but he's got it where it counts. I think he's got what he needs. So yeah, so that's articulation. Now let's get this guy in a super awesome pose. Alright, so here's Sora in kind of a cool pose. It would look cooler if I could get it to the way it looks more like in the picture. I'll put the picture on screen so you can see the picture I found of the pose that I'm trying to replicate, but like I said, I don't know if it's just because of the articulation's limited or the joints are stiff, but just can't really seem to get him in really like dynamic pose. But then again, these things aren't really meant for dynamic posability. If you want dynamic posability, you gotta buy like the Play Arts Kai or the Bring Arts, something really nice like that with all the bells and whistles. These Diamond Selects are like the bare minimum, kind of like display pieces, toys for like little kids and stuff like that. So like I said, once again, you get what you pay for, so I'm not disappointed. I like him. I think he's cool. I've been looking for a Sora for a while, and so he's gonna look awesome on my shelf next to Roxas. So yeah, and Sora can hold his Keyblade better than Roxas because his glove is pretty strong, but it is still kind of loose, as you can see, because that hand doesn't grip it well enough. But this Sora does stand up better than Roxas, so is that bonus. But that would be my only little gripe, is trying to get them to hold the Keyblades better. That's an improvement I'd like to see in the next series of the next wave and that. So but anyways, guys, just wanted to show you the cool Sora figure that I found at Hot Topic this evening. Unbox them and give you my first impressions and review on that. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more Kingdom Hearts related content. And until the next time, guys, this is the Ultimate Frozen Fan signing off. Peace.